my god, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so mega excited. You know why? Because I just paid $50, or actually won it, for Watkins Cheeky Cat. So it's right there. I'll highlight it. See, it's not fake. That's us. There. And we bid $50. The bid ended, and we won it. Get a cheeky cat. Anyway. Her name, her name is going to be, I don't really know what her name is yet. But it doesn't have a code, and I'll make a video opening her. She'll be here soon, trust me. But anyway, yeah, I'm so excited. And don't you dare say I'm spoiled, because I waited 5 Saturdays to get $50, $10 every Saturday. I waited 5 Saturdays just to bid on one that was like under it, and then we bid it on it. So yeah, I just want it, I just want it, I just want it. Oh yes, yes I did. Yeah, ha, 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 yeah.